Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be telling you guys how I learned to solve the Rubik's Cube. Before I start, for those of you who didn't subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on my new videos. And if you guys have any video ideas for me to try out, comment below and I'll check them out. So, I learned to solve this Rubik's Cube 7 years ago by cheating. There are different types of Rubik's Cube. There are some bootleg ones, and this is the original one, which one you have to take apart and then unscrew it. But 7 years ago, I used to just cheat, do one side, and then just take it out apart and just put it together. It was like the bootleg ones. But this is the original Rubik's Cube, which I couldn't do that. So I was thinking I should just learn it. So 1 year ago, I started learning it, and it didn't take that long. It took about like 7 days, and in 2 days I memorized everything, and then in 7 days I knew how to solve it in less than 3 minutes. Average person that knows how to solve it can solve it in 1 to 3 minutes, but most of the people don't know how to solve it. And the speed cubers, they can for sure solve it less than 1 minute. And the fastest person to solve it, I don't know his name, but he solved it in less than 4 seconds. So Rubik's Cube is like a fun talent to have, and it's like you can just like carry it with you. So it's like a good game to know. So when you're traveling, it's a really fun thing to do because like you're really bored, but it's not that like easy if you don't know how to solve it. But it's easy when you know how to solve it. Like it's easy, just follow the steps and learn it. So I learned it from the original Rubik's Cube channel. I'll put it in the description. Actually, I learned it from the PDF, which is in the Rubik's Cube website. So the first step, like here, I won't be teaching you guys how to solve it because I'm just telling you guys how I learned it. But if you guys want me to teach you guys how to solve it, comment. So I will try to teach you guys how to solve it. First, I'll tell you guys briefly how to do it, and then I'll just solve the Rubik's Cube. Yeah. So first, there are 6 steps. First step is you just do the white cross, and the Rubik's Cube is supposed to be facing up. So the white cross, let me just do it real quick. So that's the white cross. After you do the white cross, the second step, I think, is to solve the corner pieces. After you solve the corner pieces, you have to do the middle layer, which is the tricky part. Like, solving this is easy, but solving the middle part is not that easy because you have to go through a lot of steps to do those. And there are different types of cubes. There are speed cubes and normal or Rubik's Cube. I'll put it in the description below if you guys want to buy it. So yeah, after you do the middle layer, you do the yellow cross. So I did the middle layer already. Now you do the yellow cross. So the first step is the white cross, second step is the corners, the third step is the middle layer, fourth step is the yellow cross. The fifth step is the yellow corners. after you do the yellow corners, is the sixth and last step is to just solve these. It might be, I might be messing it up, but I'll just check it out. And if you guys want to learn it, I'll relearn it and teach you guys. So comment below. So now the sixth and last step. Done. So that's how I learned it, but there are different ways to do it. Like I did after the cross, I did the corner and then I did the middle layer. But there are different ways to do it, algorithms, and like the other one I know is like you do the corner and the middle layer at the same time. So yeah, but that's how I learned it, by like doing step by step. So I'll be trying to see how long it takes me to do it the original way from the PDF. So let me just mess it up. And then I'll teach you guys some things you can do after solve, and then I'll teach you guys one way to act like you know how to solve it, because people want to act like they know how to solve it. So I'll be editing it and speeding it up, but if you guys want to see me solve it, and I'll make another video, and it will be the original time. So, ready, set. Wait, let me just show you guys. It's scrambled. Just trying to make sure you guys don't think I'm cheating. Ready, set, go. 1 minute and 22 seconds. So that's how long it takes me to solve it. Anyways, the tricks. So there's like one trick. It's like, I don't know the name of it. It's probably like, I don't know, chess. It looks like a chessboard, but you just like just make it look like a chessboard. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that's one way to act like you know how to solve it. You just take the middle layer. This is the middle layer, and just put your finger or something like that, and then spin the side twice, 2 times. Okay. After you do that, after you do it on either side, just go to the side you didn't do it. Like I did red, I didn't do white. Like I didn't do this 2 sides. I did these. So go to that side, like right now, right here, and just do the same thing. Once, twice. Once, twice. After you do that, you can like see what's wrong with it. You just do it once more in the middle. Okay, that's one way. Let me just show you guys again how to mess it up first. Once, twice, once, twice. You can go to the side. Once, twice, once, twice. And then you just go to the center and just do this. So that's one way. It might be confusing. So this is boring for the people who don't know how to do it. So yeah. So there's another, like, let me just show you another trick. So another trick is like plus. I don't know if it's like it counts as like a real thing, but like it's like you do a plus. You just do plus. It doesn't really matter, but you just trying out things. There are people who make flags, like countries' flags. Like one flag I know, like 2 flags I know, but the one I like is Bangladesh flag, Bangladeshi flag, and I know Korean flag, but I'll just show you guys how to like the Bangladeshi flag, how it looks. So you just go like this. And if I'm not teaching you guys perfectly, or you guys are not understanding, just comment below. I'll just make another one where, like, if you guys want me to teach you, I'll teach you guys and then show you the tricks also. Again, because this video is about me, how I learned it. So I'm just showing some things that I learned. That took a while. Anyways, so you just go to any sides is solved. So you go, and then you go once, twice. So you can do it any way you want. So I usually just do the white side, the red side on my side, like this side on me and the white on the top. So you just go like this. You hold it like this, and you just take this up once. You hold it right here with this finger once, twice. You keep doing that 126 times. After you do 126 times, it just goes back the way you were. That's one way to act like you know how to do it. I haven't done this in a minute, but it's not perfect because I didn't do it in a long time. But yeah, should take you, if you keep doing it, should take you like 20 seconds to do it. But yeah, it won't take that long. Just do 126 times. Oops, I messed it up. I might have messed it up, I don't know. I just keep going and see if I messed it up. I did become slower because no, I didn't mess it up. So yeah, that's some ways to do it. So yeah, you guys can find me on Instagram. I'll put it in the description. So, and don't forget to give me video ideas. See you guys next time.